Devo Testimonies, stories of courageous hope, encounters of a mother's love.
To me, this is a extra special kasi it's my birthday, so I feel like blessed na nakita ko siya on the first day. Parang first time para sa akin. Since 2010, before we open our business, we came here to ask blessing. Yun yung parang biggest achievement for us. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with that. I think it's open. Kasi open din kami eh. Parang no boundaries for all gender. Actually, I have my biological mom in heaven. I'm also blessed na mayroon ako another mom who raised me also in heaven. They're both in heaven right now. Siguro I'm so thankful na I was raised with very aspiring and I was blessed na napalaki ako ng lola. Parang lola's boy ako eh. I'm Emerson, a project estimator based in Australia, and I live in Paranaque.